you mentioned that you can make $1,000 for a home inspection,
Yeah,
and people reacted.
we should be.
Yeah,
Yeah, if you're charging less than $1,000,
really.
yeah, it's not a good thing. We are definitely more valuable than a few $100s.
Wow.
Especially an InterNACHI certified home inspector is a neutral third-party professional whose ultimate goal and focus in life is to give information to their client that they can trust so that they can make smart decisions on the most important purchase of their life. And we're only making a couple $100?
Yeah.
No. No. We need to communicate better as a whole group of home inspectors all over the world. We need to communicate better how valuable we are.